Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Little quick video about the interactive fill tool. Sometimes I have trouble getting it straight down. Well, if you will hold down your shift key, it will actually click in like 15-degree increments. So it's really easy because you can hold down your shift key and move it up and down without getting off. I mean, freehanding the mouse is kind of awkward, but if you hold down your shift key, you can get the exact perpendicular that you want. And then as always, you can always add a color to there. See, I actually bumped that. Let's take it again, hold down the shift key, and then you could bring in a red up top, and that's how your interactive fill tool works. And then if you don't like that, you can use your shift key to bring it in closer and get more of a definite line. So hold down the shift key when you're moving that bar and it'll help you a little bit. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.